Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to set the video quality to 720p or higher. Today I will show how to embed a report viewer in a Vue application. You can open an existing project, but in this video I will create a new Vue application. Create a new project using the npm create void command. Go to the project folder and install the Stimulsoft report.js Vue.js package. Add a new component, for example, my viewer. Import viewer Stimulsoft from the Stimulsoft package. Create a new instance of the StimReports class. Placement viewer in the template section. Pass report object to viewer using report property. In the appview file, import myViewer component and pass it to the template section. Run the project. The report viewer will now be embedded in the Vue application. As you can see, the report viewer will start without a report or dashboard. Stop the project. Add a report template to the project, for example, an invoice. To do this, create a reports folder in the public directory. Copy the template to this folder using the command line. Open the component file. Load the template into a report object using the load file method. Run the project. Reload the page in the browser. Now an invoice will be loaded into the report viewer. By default, the viewer is not in full screen mode. Use the white blue theme and displays all controls. Create a new instance of the StiViewer Options class. Enable full screen mode. Pass the viewer options to the viewer component using the options property in the template section. Save the changes. Go to the browser. Now the viewer uses the full screen mode. Set the black teal theme. You can disable buttons on the toolbar, for example, the Save and Open buttons. You can also disable specific commands, for example, the Export to PDF command in the Save menu. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!